About 1 year ago, I installed the best wireless Bluetooth CarPlay adapter in my Ferrari California. But the day has come where I'm going to install one in my daily driver Mercedes GLC. This product here from Carpodgo is the only 60 frames per second wireless CarPlay adapter on the market, and it features an enhanced user experience with fast operations and ultra smooth experience with no lag. Let's climb on board my Mercedes, unbox this from Carpodgo, and I'll show you just how simple it is to install and use, and give you my exclusive discount code to order yours. Now, since installing the Carpodgo in my previous vehicle, there's been a ton of incredible firmware updates that improve the Android Auto experience in real-world use. Some of these include fixing Android voice assistant issues, fixing issues where the screen remains black after using the backup camera, and resolving the issue of Android Auto failing to connect. I'm going to link below all of the firmware updates so you can see that Carpodgo is committed to giving their users the best experience possible. Check it out, and let's get back to installing this in my vehicle. So I got this nice package in the mail from Carpodgo, and let's unbox it right now, and I'll show you everything that it comes with. This is the actual 60 frame per second CarPlay screen and unit. And in the box, it's also got, this is the mount to mount on your windshield, which we will do. This is an adapter for if there's any electrical issues with a backup camera. This is a power source right here, cord. This is part of the backup camera installation and the user manual. So let's hop inside the car now, and I will unbox this and show you setting up the Carpodgo Bluetooth screen. All right, so let's go ahead and open this box up. I just gotta remove the plastic film on it. Very nice packaging. Feels very high quality before I've even got it unboxed. And there you can see, first off, this is the actual unit with the display screen. And of course you got all your power connectors behind, and it's in a really nice packaging that's super easy to manage. So we're just gonna remove this from the protective casing. And of course you can see it's got the connector to connect to your windshield. There you can see a little bit more of the high quality screen. So this here conveniently plugs right into a cigarette lighter. And you'll also notice on the actual adapter, it has a space for a USB, so it doesn't remove your capabilities of charging other devices, even though you're using this. And there you go, you can see it firing up instantly. Very fast screen due to the 60 frame per second. It has an immediate, very high quality feel, even compared to a factory navigation screen in a newer Mercedes. So let's go ahead and we will pair the Bluetooth on my phone and get this thing connected right away. So you're simply going to log into your phone, turn your Bluetooth on, and you're going to look for the network that it shows you, in this case PND 28B3. I am connecting that now. It will give me a prompt to pair my phone, allow contacts, and very simple. You can see it's pairing within 10 seconds automatically. No messing around, no long. Look at that. 10 seconds it's connected. It's got my phone, maps, messages, music, Carpodgo app, podcasts, calendar, settings, Google Maps, Telegram, and any other things that I so choose to put in here. Very high quality screen, very responsive. And let's just go to settings, see what happens. So you can put all your iPhone settings right here. Go to your map, search a destination such as, let's put in Kelowna. Just like that, pulls up the map to take us to Kelowna. And again, you can see the quality of this screen compared to the factory navigation screen. It's just far superior on the Carpodgo. You can easily access your phone, recent calls, contacts. Of course, you just have a keypad to punch in a normal number. If you wanted to call somebody, you can just do it right from the convenience of this. Punch in the number, hit call, and it will just start ringing right away. So super convenient. There's a ton of amazing features with the Carpodgo, but let's hook it up to the windshield so you can see it mounted in place now. So you can see it's a super easy mounting system. It's got adjustable for different angles. So here you can see a close-up comparison of the Carpodgo versus a factory navigation system. So one of my favorite features of the Carpodgo is pure Bluetooth mode, which 99% of users choose this mode. This is where the sound is connected via the car's Bluetooth through the phone, and the display screen is only responsible for showing the image. It supports the original car's multifunction steering wheel buttons and microphone, making it super handy for all users. It also features a fully laminated screen that is seamlessly integrated with the casing, providing a unified black texture and enhancing the visual experience. I know I'll be using my Carpodgo in every vehicle I own for the rest of time. So I encourage you to do the same because I put my full trust in this product. So hit the link in the video description down below. Use my exclusive discount code at checkout that you see right here on the screen right now. And when you order your Carpodgo, tag me in your video. I want to see your thoughts, but I guarantee you, you will not be disappointed.